Hello guys, welcome to my channel Code with Deval. In today's topic, we are going to learn about how to install Python on Termux. I'm going to use Putty here to remotely connect to our Termux. Let me add the IP and port, write down my Termux username and password. So here, let's first check whether any Python is available or not. And for that, just write command Python. You can see Python is not installed yet. Let's try Python 3, which is also not installed. So how we can install that is simple. Write just pkg space install space Python 3 and the installation will be begun. So installation is done. Now let's try this Python 3 command again to start the Python. You can see Python 3.12.8 is installed. Let's write down some print statement. It's working fine. Let's import any system modules, which is OS, import OS, and get our current directory. It's perfectly working fine. Now let's close this Python and let's see if this pip is actually working or not. So to run this pip command, just write down Python 3 space -m space pip space freeze. It will show the currently installed packages, but we don't have any packages yet, so it's returning nothing. So let's install one package, which is ppnv. With ppnv we can manage virtual environment. I already have one video in my channel, you can refer that. You can see how easy it is to install and manage Python in Termux.